Well, raised in Jamaica until I was about 7 years old. I don't really feel like people really know the real Olivia. It's the EP to the LP. It's all about love. It's Olivia all day, Olivia all day. Love Guineps and mango. Understand, understand, understand. Come on, that doesn't know. I love you like cook food. Don't hear me? I remember the little blue and white uniform running around, just everything. Shenanigans. There's so much stuff. The food is amazing. The people are just, you know, warm. It's a lot of fun. Hilarious, hilarious, hilarious. Everybody has a great spirit in Jamaica. It's rah 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 rah. Loving hip hop, loving hip hop, loving hip hop. Started writing when I was 14, like poetry. I'm very blunt. I say what I want. What can she do? What she can do is when you piss us off, you're done. F yous, F yous, F yous. That's how I normally express my feelings is by writing. My mom used to write me letters when I was younger. She was never able to say anything to me that she wanted to. Like I have a plethora of crazy friends, sex, whatever, slipping under my door. I just always love singing. It's just always been in my blood. I mean, I'm a sexy person. Think it in, think it in, think it in. All Olivia, all day. I was in all the choirs. I used to do every talent show, so it just was in me. Loving hip hop. That's on VH1. It's, you know, I grew up playing basketball, and I love football. I love baseball. Anything that has to do with sports. Most of my best friends are actually male. I have 2 real brothers and 2 brothers who I call my fake brothers. Say the pit bull in the skirt. Behind closed doors, in my bedroom, we do not care that the cameras were around. It's the EP to the LP. It's all about love. Tweet some funny stuff, a lot of love stuff. I'm always gonna do that. It's one and only Olivia, the #1 and only Olivia. I've always been a straightforward person. I'm very sarcastic. I love to play a lot. It's easy to just walk up to me on the street. I'm very friendly. Just as many no's as you hear, there's gonna be that one yes to negate everything that you heard in the past. So just believe in yourself. Somebody else is gonna believe in you too. Come on, that doesn't know. I love you like cook food. Don't hear me?